Hello and welcome back to CraigeonCars. We're doing something a little bit different today. We are in the middle of nowhere helping out a friend. We are out in a Land Rover, getting dusty, getting dirty and crashing drones into trees. I was going to say, it's definitely not a riverbed, that, is it?
No. I mean, it could be at some point, I suppose, but
Yeah.
it looks more like a railway than a pool.
I think so. It's been dug out down there, look. Not a
Yeah,
badger or something.
Could be, yeah.
See, look, there's one down there, look, and then one right at the back.
Oh, yeah.
A little badger den or something, that, isn't it?
Looks deep, though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Some buzzing going on under here, I tell you that.
Yeah, you can hear it.
Yeah, I think we'll leave that alone, I think. Too much buzzing for my liking. I think they're
Do
just
you know what?
flies.
That is all flies.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think it is just flies. You know, when you go in somewhere and you hear buzzing and you're like, what is it?
Dead body.
Well, you never know. You never know. Never say never. All good?
Yeah, just dying.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a motion camera.
Yeah.
That looks like one of those animal ones, doesn't it?
It is, yeah. What an odd place, though, isn't it?
Hmm.
Why'd you set one of them up here?
Well, it's probably something to do with what's maybe buried, dug in there, isn't it?
Alright, I'm going to try and get over here. Oh, there's a cable down it. Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, it don't look that old, to be honest, does it?
It doesn't, no. That.
There's one thing I do love about this area, and that is how quickly the scenery changes. 1 minute you're driving over railway bridges, going through tree tunnels, finding badger setts in the countryside, to turning the corner and suddenly there's wheat fields and barley and rapeseed just stretching for miles. Days like this remind you that sometimes you don't need to travel hundreds of miles to have a decent adventure. Disappear in the car, pick up a friend, and if he takes a drone, tell him to watch out for the telegraph poles. next byway, we seen this old water tower, and we just thought, this is far too good not to stop. So that's what we did, and with the drone ready, it would have been rude not to grab a few shots while we were there. We also met a charming old man who had an old Lotus on stands, camper vans, older Massey Ferguson projects, told us how he was from Worksop. Stayed there for hours. That can't be good.
No. We'll reset.
Yeah, as you can probably tell by the intro, that was a great success. So it says this is a Roman road, yeah?
Yeah.
How the fuck did they get a horse over these bumps with wooden wheels?
Well, they didn't build Rome in a day, geez.
I don't think they've built it now, have they really? 2000 and in progress, and we think our road workers are bad.
Yeah.
I reckon you've got a dead end there, mate. Uh-oh. So the Roman road's so unfinished, it's still gate off at one end. I think we might be locked in a bit here. What are we going to do, lad?
We're going to have to stick it in reverse and reverse it all the way back.
Couple of miles, eh?
Yeah, mate.
That's right, we go it is then.
Is it worth popping over the road and just seeing if that one's locked as well? Because this could end our...
But I can see a padlock on it.
I'll go and double check, because this could end our...
I mean, he's walking over there to check that gate. I'm about 99% that's got a lock on it. We ain't getting through that even if we get through here. And we ain't even getting through here, the silly sod. We'll let him have his moment. I reckon this gate might be locked, you know, Craig. I'm not too sure. Can you get round side of it? So what does the sign actually say then?
It says October to April. And you can only come down if you've got a permit holder from them in them periods. But other than that, it should be okay.
Huh. Well, that's that then.
Yeah, mate. And the other one's all locked up and doesn't look it's had anything down it for long. We're in there.
Back we go.
Back we go, my friend.
Back we go. So once we'd reversed for an hour and a half, and what made me feel pretty sick of my life, we found some horses. Then, after we saw the horses, we saw a fall, would you believe?
Hello, gents.
Oh, yeah.
Hiya. And that was that, really. After the Ford had got all the footage that he wanted, so we went home, had a barbecue, had some beers, and that was that. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like and give us a subscribe.